I'm sure you noticed that cell towers are popping up everywhere. Did you know that there's a federal statute that actually says that there's almost nothing you can do about that? Section 704 of the Telecommunications Act of 1996 specifically says that local authorities have no say where a cell tower goes up in your neighborhood based on health and environmental effects. If you think that's not right and you want to do something about it, join the 704 No More Coalition. We believe that local communities should have the power in determining where cell towers are being placed in any given neighborhood. And we also believe strongly that health and environmental effects should be taken into consideration so that communities have a say in, do we want to put a cell tower up at all? Do we want to put a cell tower close to a school? Do we want to put a cell tower right in front of my house? Most people are, at least on the surface, concerned about health and environmental impact of cell towers, and rightfully so. But there's also other negative impacts that a cell tower close to a home can have. For example, it decreases property values. Some studies suggest up to 20%. Did you know that cell towers are actually really fire prone? And when they're put up in areas that are particularly susceptible to fires, they're actually really dangerous. Have you noticed these fake pine trees going up everywhere that are actually cell towers? It's supposed to look pretty and not make you realize the industrial infrastructure that's underneath it. However, what they don't tell you is that these structures shed microplastics that go straight back into the groundwater, essentially polluting your water supply. And then they're also ugly. It has this ripple effect of industrial infrastructure that is in residential neighborhoods where it does not belong. There are over 100 safe tech organizations from all across the country that have joined the coalition and that are advocating to put power back into the hands of communities. You can join the 704 No More Coalition as an individual or as a group. And so once you are subscribed, you'll receive everything you need to know to effectively join the fight. We'll send you updated information on legislative efforts so you know when and where to lobby. We will send you litigation updates so that you can follow the steps of the case as closely as you would like. We will send you flyers, educational materials, content to post on social media that you can use to advocate. And we will also send you updated links to 704 and EMR and wireless merchandise that you can wear to be a walking, talking billboard ready to start conversations. So join the movement, get plugged in so that together we can end this ridiculous preemption and put the power back where it belongs, in the hands of you and your community.